Hey guys, it's Eric at Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering in beautiful downtown Warren. I'm excited to share with you the newest addition to the Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering showroom. It is RevWood. RevWood by Mohawk. This is Mohawk's version of laminate, but they don't call it laminate, they call it RevWood because their version has revolutionized, get it, RevWood, has revolutionized the industry. This stuff looks, feels, and acts like hardwood without the problems or downside. RevWood Select offers superior waterproof performance. This is made with Mohawk's unique HydroSeal technology, which repels moisture, and the Uniclick glueless locking system that traps water on the surface. So RevWood Select is designed to withstand spills and splashes. If that's not good enough for you, we have another. RevWood Plus combines Mohawk's unique HydroSeal and Uniclick technology with GenuEdge. GenuEdge is an innovative beveling technology that provides enhanced realism and added moisture protection. RevWood Plus is so waterproof, listen to this, it's so waterproof it can be steam mopped. That's unheard of in the laminate industry. Come down to Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering, check out our beautiful showroom. This place is gorgeous, we put a lot of work into it, all to make your buying experience better. Your shopping experience will be phenomenal, I promise. Check us out at SatolliCarpet.com or come in to 367 High Street in beautiful downtown Warren and check it out, Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering.